Thank you for attending the Western Justice Center webinar series on how to use school tools and conflict resolution basics. The Western Justice Center decided to leverage its online resource school tools, and with distance learning becoming the new norm, we decided to build upon what we already had. School Tools is free online curriculum, conveniently accessible through our website developed by the Western Justice Center. The conflict resolution education lesson plans are used for enriching knowledge and skill base. Who can use School Tools? Just about everyone. We encourage our parents, educators, administrators, and even students to engage in the curriculum to strengthen their conflict resolution skills, and even more so now during the current climate. You as a facilitator can guide this lesson per your needs. Each lesson has a suggested time frame for facilitation, and throughout the lessons altogether, you'll see videos that help support a visual understanding. And this particular lesson is what conflict is and what conflict isn't.
My experience at the elementary school was that it became more about being able to maintain friendships, being able to maintain respectability. When I worked at high school, it was a lot of prevention of physical altercations. There can be a lot of identity clashes.
Very interested in all your great ideas, because I'm sure when we're all back in the classroom, it will be very different.
That being said, thank you everyone. Take care.
Thank you.
Please stay safe.